Kublai pi baro ngi priang sungu bahai pi sya kani katup kubor jengi menta ka janmit. Hasyam ni azdang ngi nyepit syua yakimat ki bukongsan. Laplat patok yau opsar MPS ubak Gabriel ke Yang Rai. Kamba ula longkum ulanot jangka high level kaki political vendetta. Kentok jor Vice President kasang National People's Party ubak Prestun Tensong ya ka United Democratic Party ka bayat trailang halor ka jing kentok hakarensan yalap election. Penlong rally ka TMC Hajantia Hills ban ajing kersan ya kertong kasang TMC na 2 Juwai constituency ubak Andrew Sulai. Bat ujor kaseng Kongres Persya ia kasyong kenor ka State Women Commission bat kajingta ia ki poster hakeleng kenong ba. Ki khabar ki babnya. Yau opsar MPS ubak Gabriel ke Yang Rai la pelat na Shillong District Jail hene ka janmit. Ubak Yang Rai ubala syakem ha ka bayedai bat kajing penenkam bakla ya ka pisa ka balai pesan laktingka. Ha ka bayedai bat kajing tay ya ka Shillong Sardar Police Station. Ulayo jamin na ka District and Session Court halor artli ki mukot duma. Kaying syari kala ay jamin ha ka nyotrik mentau benai ha ka bayday pat ka jingkeno penenkam bakla ya ka pisa halor ka jingtay ya ka kenro jang ka National Emergency Response System ka bah Sardar Police Station. Kamaswa ha ka laitrik urimpang ulayo jamin ha ka bayday pat ki artli ki mukot duma halor ka jingsam ya ki marbam. Habay kren bikilat patay kubor hadien bala palat yau Utay opsar MPS ulakam ba ulalongkum ulanot jangka high level kaki political vendetta. Watla kaladon ka jingkam ba ulasya berniam bandekat ya ka jingim jong u lem bat ki bahiyang asam.
And so many RTIs I have filed from here which are yet to be revealed, and these will expose, and there is an imminent threat to my life and to my family. And this is highly political, all the highly political kaki vendetta.
O Vice President ka National People's Party ubak Prestun Tensong. Ulat herting ya ka United Democratic Party ka bayat trailang. Halor ka jingkan tho ya ka seng ha ka jingyalap election. Haba pinpaw ha ka rally election na kabentaban ay jing kersan ya ukertong na Soyong constituency ubak Samlin Malnyang. Ubat Tensong ulaong bakamlong kabayahab na kabenta ka UDP ban kentho ya ka NPP. Namar kilaya trailang baro sansnam hapo jang ka sarkar MDA. O Vice President ka NPP ulaong bakipad ba kiday ban kenmaw. Baha ka janmit jangka artrig ulaber ka UDP kan sawan ban kerpad yo Conrad bat uba Prestun bakin ay jakalem hapo ka sarkar ka batmay.
Ngantray ka kam kiparlok ng UDP nay lumiyataw nay bangang kwa bagadaw TN nilaya tray lang saksan bati Hikat yang ibenta arbenai. Kemau bah hata arteri kami. Hingga pun yang Conrad bagi Prestu. Kata-kata pun pinsau. Dosa island ingin cemat ibarit-ibaria.
MP kaseng TMC ubalong ruunong yalam ka AITC Parliamentary Party ka Raja Sabah u Derek O'Brien. Hanya kasngi ulapoy hajawai na kabentaban ay jingkersan ya ukertong ka TMC na kabenta ka 2 Juwai constituency uba Andrew Sulai. Ya kini kajingilap election lapenlong hayaw musyang market parking lot hakabalay simentalang dakipad ba. Hakadi kajingyadan lang jong UMDC barem uba madon rembay bad ikong Pilimon Lingdo kabalapan ya kajingyalang bad UMDC ka North Juwai uba Bright Star Cermang. Haba ajing keren na kabenta uba Sulai, O'Brien ula kintu yakinong tep wood bakin ailad uba Sulai na kabenta banwanra ya kajingkala bat kapahu kapahay.
All of us together, I ask you to work full day with us, full day with Andrew Sulai and the team. Work for us for 13 more days. 10 hours a day. I promise you, please do this for us. If you do this the next 13 days, we will work for Meghalaya for the next 5 years for you.
Kaseng Kongres ka jala kala ujor persya ya ka Shongkonor jong ka State Women Commission ikong Pidalia Toy ibay benta ha ka rally election na ka benta ukertong kaseng NPP no Juwai uba welat mikishala. Katay kaseng kala ujor ru halor ka jingta ya ki poster jong umentri rang badu kari Narendra Modi umentri katanar ki kampo ye u Amit Shah bad u president ka BJP u JP Nada hakeleng ka nong ba shalong. Nakaliang u CEO uba FR Kharkongor ulapan dikena buun sa Shimkya ya kajing tokit halor kani kabenta.
A political appointee, but we'll have to check the rules, and we'll also have to check the veracity of the complaint. So right now, until I get something in black and white, it would be premature for me to say anything. Once I get the report from the district election officer, and once I get a reply from the person being complained against, then the matter will be clear, and based on that, then further action will be taken. But I cannot give any presumptive answer right now.
Kaseng BJP Hameghlaya kala ujor ijahar persya ya ka kerwo bamshisha kablapin sa preng lingba kirinsan jong ka social media hapo jong ka letterhead jong ka BJP kaboong ba ka BJP Hameghlaya ka persya ya ka jingrakhi ya ka Valentine's Day u president kaseng BJP Hameghlaya ba Ernest Maury uloong ba kani ka siti ka kadawshay ba kadai ka jingkwa ban shimkabu persya ya ka BJP na ba kaseng jong ka liang persya ka persyang ban pinthok bria ya ka BJP hashwa jong ka election sya ka yang robat thaw anya ka jala Ulaong ru ba kani ka siti ka peni ba ki seng san perthai ki ba persya ya ka BJP ki dan ka jingku slai ba ka seng menta kelas dang ban kiyo ha kani ka jela.
This letter, it is totally is someone has want to promote the political. It is a political issue. Maybe some vested interest party, they has circulate this letter, which very clearly, I want to give a statement. This letter has been circulated from the NPP. Because now, they know that we are going to win the election. And we'll win in the majority. So they don't have any agenda. That's why they are circulating this letter.
Ukertong kaseng National People Party na Mawson Road constituency uba jigur murthong ulapan dikena ba ka Mawson Road kan yo no da ka civil subdivision ka Bapura banbu yaki college bat ban kintiu yaki jaka puli bat ban pinbiang yaki jingdon kam ha ka kot ka khia ha ka te ka than uloong yakani ha ka jingyelang patba jong kaseng ha ka snong soping ka bahap apo ka Mawson Road constituency Halor ka jingbamla ban pin urlong ban wanra ya karoy kapar bat kiwi kilat ha kapor ka jinglong MLA ka jong u ha katay ka constituency uloong ba ki pat ba ki tip ha bat kilakwa ya kata ka jingkala.
No, saya ka jingkran.
Rin bagi sayo ya ki development ki baper ha kane ka maus not jongi. Naya compare ya kiwai ki scheme. Compare swatang ka NEC scheme. Mano bayo naki para emle ya ka NEC scheme. Niyo tang mangi arngot. Uway uday emle Congress baday na po chapot. But mga bayo nang na po mausnod. Dere halor ka nongrim bangi at restom. Niyawat ya kalat kalenti naki department ki baper.
Mentapat ngipet ya kajilong juman kasun beneng hasilong. Kajing shed kalong kat katai 0.8 degree Celsius bat kajing kret kalong sun 0.0 degree Celsius. Kajing singam kawaw kalong sun pusan naksispa kapor menstep bat sun pulai naksispa kapor janmit. Kasun beneng kanrang bat kandon kajing ka alo hakikat tu kat ni kijaka. Sa sisin pat ipin kenmau biang yepi baya kani ka kubor ke jongi. Pilak ban pej ha ka ju kapor hi ha ka YouTube channel, bat pilak ban pej ya ki kubor ki baman la kasngi ha ka Facebook, ka Twitter, bat ke Instagram jong ka DD News Shillong. Haswa bangin pinkot ngipit biang sa isin ya kimat ki bakongsan. La pelaj patok yau opsar MPS ubak Gabriel K. Yangrai, kamba ula longkum ulanot jangka high level kaki political vendetta. Kentok jur Vice President ka National People's Party ubak Prestun Tensong, ya ka United Democratic Party ka bayi trailang halor ka jingkentok ha kerensan yelap election. Penlong rally ka TMC Hajantia Hills ban ai jingkersan yu kertong ka seng TMC na ka tu Jawai constituency uba Andrew Shulai. Bat ujor ka seng Kongres Persya ia ka syongkenor ka State Women Commission bat ka jingta ia ki poster hak keleng kanong ba. Te parlok ka tung lapoi sya ka bekut jong kan ketup kubor jengi minta ka janmit hadum de syem bat pila syai ka sengi ko blei pi baro.
वो एड नहीं आती ना रिकमेंडेड वर्ल्ड वाइड वर्ल्ड्स नंबर 1 टूथपेस्ट
मिसलीडिंग एड थी, बंद करवा दी।
किसने?
सीसीपीए ने।
सीसीपीए ने?
हाँ, केंद्रीय